friends. Happy Sunday. I'm recording on Sunday. I just got back from playing my flute in a concert in a park, as I do in the summertime, and I just figured I'd record right now in my little uniform. For years, I carried up to 10 more pounds than I do now, but I've adopted these 5 key habits that have helped improve my health and helped me to maintain a healthy weight at age 63. As women over 50, we often struggle with weight gain, stiff joints, sometimes even pain. What can we do about it? Follow my 5 simple daily habits that I swear by and watch those pounds melt away and stay away and your overall health improve. I'm serious about this. Okay, habit number 1. Let's start with sleep. We need to get about 7 to 9 hours per night, according to health experts. I shoot for a minimum of 8 hours and a little bit more sometimes per night. And that got easier once my kids were grown and work commitments became more flexible. Here's why this is important. You'll just feel better. I can't believe how tired I was 20 years ago compared to now. Getting more and better sleep always makes me feel better and more motivated to stick to exercise, and it helps me stick to healthy eating patterns too. Number 2, I start every day with a huge glass of water. I don't go straight for the coffee. When you wake up, you're dehydrated and your body needs plain and simple water. Plus, it helps you on your quest to drink more water in general, which, according to the experts at Johns Hopkins University, is great for suppressing appetite, boosting metabolism, and making exercise more efficient. And finally, more water, especially first thing in the morning, helps to regulate your digestive tract, which sometimes needs a little help at our age. Number 3, I eat a filling, healthy, protein-backed breakfast. Why? It helps to stabilize my blood sugar so I don't feel the urge to eat until lunchtime, and I'm less likely to overeat at midday. Years ago, I just ate a bowl of cereal for breakfast, and it was not filling, and it wasn't particularly nutritious, and I was starving by 10:30. These days, I try to keep my breakfasts to around 300 to 350 calories, generally 0 to 2 points on Weight Watchers, and right now, I'm rotating 3 different options to keep it interesting. First is a half cup of dry oatmeal cooked in water and topped with a generous dollop, like a half a cup or so of plain Greek yogurt, some berries, and a splash of unsweetened almond milk. My second breakfast is I cut up a piece of fresh fruit, typically a small pear or a peach, and then I add that generous dollop of yogurt and some berries. Then I add a quarter cup of high fiber, low sugar cereal for some crunch and drizzle it all with almond milk. My third breakfast is a banana pancake. I take a ripe banana and smash it up, and then I beat in 2 eggs. I coat a frying pan with cooking spray and cook the pancake over low to medium heat. Then I add some yogurt and berries on top. Delicious. I'll leave the recipes in the description so you can try them. My 4th daily habit is to do stretching and strengthening exercises every morning before doing any other kind of workout. When I was younger, I used to just get up, eat breakfast, and head out the door for a walk or whatever I was going to do for exercise with literally no warm-up at all. And that caught up with me. I started having problems with my feet, my hips, my lower back, and so on. You know those exercises given to you by the physical therapist that maybe you did for a while but stopped doing when you felt better? Well, I've learned that it's just better to incorporate some of these exercises into my daily routine so that any other exercise I do will not cause injury or pain. These take me about 20 to 30 minutes and have been very helpful in allowing me to maintain an active lifestyle. Plus, while I'm doing this, I either listen to podcasts or watch my favorite YouTubers for inspiration. And now for my 5th and most impactful daily habit. This one has been most beneficial in helping me to maintain a healthy weight. I do some form of cardio or weight training exercise for a minimum of 30 minutes, 6 or 7 days a week, taking appropriate rest days. Most of the time, I well exceed the 30 minutes, but not every day. I didn't start at this level. More than 15 years ago, I made a commitment to exercise a minimum of 3 days a week for at least 20 minutes. Once that became a habit, I was motivated to add more time and more days, and it evolved to a daily commitment. I vary what I do to prevent it from getting boring, and it's better for the body too. I love walking, cycling, hiking, the elliptical, and weight training, as well as yoga and aerobics classes, and I also try and catch some laps in the pool in the summertime. Well, my experience suggests that healthy food choices and portion control are the most crucial for weight loss. A regular moderate exercise program allows me to take a few liberties in the food department and maybe the wine department too, and minimize weight gain. So in my experience, daily exercise is key to keeping weight off. To recap, my 5 daily healthy habits are: number 1, get enough sleep. Number 2, drink a big glass of water first thing in the morning. Number 3, eat a healthy and filling breakfast. Number 4, stretching and strengthening exercises, those things that are prescribed by your physical therapist that you probably haven't been doing enough of. And number 5, cardio or other weight training almost every single day. These 5 things have been key for me in maintaining a healthy weight, staying healthy overall, and maintaining a youthful appearance and energy too. I hope this will inspire you to take action for your own health. Please share your tips and daily healthy habits, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more inspiration on thriving gracefully. See you next time.